take this on the road next year.
I have a better name for us, but we would have to go on the road immediately. Okay.
Just give us some moments. Thanks.
Possibly look for us in open mic nights, maybe.
Yeah, I think it's gonna have to happen.
Let's see what the
girls.
expressions on their faces are when we're done.
Yeah.
And then
We'll know if we should take it on the road. But I want to thank my colleagues, Angie and Jen, because of course, you know, this is my field of expertise, and for them to be able to play and sing so well with me when it's not, and just get out of their comfort zone, really cool and impressive. So thank you, ladies.
Make sure we're.
Okay.
All right, so this is a little ditty. You'll recognize the tune. We'll try to enunciate as best we can so that you can catch all the words. But I think you'll know it. Here we go. Hello, admin, our old friends. We've come to talk with you again because of visions softly creeping, of early mornings now spent sleeping, but the vision of the schoolhouse in your brains still remains. But it's time, retirement. For many years you got it all, from the pubescent to the small. Need the halo of a classroom, from celebrations to the gloom and doom. And your eyes were glazed by the meetings with the Board of Ed. Make art instead, because it's time, retirement. And in the naked light you saw 400 students, maybe more. Parents speaking without thinking, students hearing without listening. So you played your songs that children always share. It showed you cared. But now it's time, retirement. Fool said you do not know. Wish I'd retired long ago. The beach is calling with its golden view, and all your kids will want to stay with you. But remember your crew at DTS, they were the best. But now it's time, retirement.